The smell of fried dough is my childhood. Crispy edges, fluffy center, and a blizzard of sugar. This is the real fried dough. Take any pizza dough and bring it to room temperature. Cut into small pieces and shape into rough discs. Gently place in oil that has been heated to about 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 182 degrees Celsius. With a spoon, pour oil on top of the dough to help with puffing up and even cooking. Repeat the process with the rest of the dough. When the discs become golden brown on each side, transfer to a paper towel to absorb excess oil. Immediately, while still hot, give a generous coat of your favorite sugar to both sides. Well, yeah.
The inside's really nice and chewy and fluffy.
That's delicious. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you next time.